This is the Kinny Landrum, and we have a special episode of Golf Cart Confessions today. I am introducing Dr. Sonia Lenk. Good morning.
And I don't know if good morning. I don't know if I passed my driver's license for this, so I'm very concerned. Very careful.
So Dr. Sonia Lenk is driving the golf cart today. Doctor, you are the third person to actually drive the golf cart on Golf Cart Confessions. This is really cool.
Good that it's really early and nobody's out here.
That's right. There are no people driving around out here except for us right now this morning. So, Dr. Sonia Lenk, and let me confess that I didn't know you were a doctor.
That's a good thing.
That's my confession there. So, what would you like to confess to today on Golf Cart Confessions?
Well, let me tell you, yesterday I had a really long and hard day. And you know what I did? I was planning on going to the swimming pool.
The swimming pool?
Yeah, which I do very often. I usually go to Preston at Western and swim. No, I don't drive there.
You don't drive there?
Okay. They should have some golf carts there. But I swim for a kilometer or a mile. But I was with a colleague, came to my office, and then I got off my goal, and we ended up going to buy some shoes.
Some shoes?
Some shoes,
Some shoes like you wear on your feet?
Of course.
Yes, okay.
So, let's go through here.
Okay.
So, I ended up buying 2 pairs of shoes.
Not 1 pair, but 2 pair.
And I had them. I didn't let my husband see that. So I think there was a guilty conscience there.
If he sees this, he's gonna know you bought the shoes.
Well, so guess what I did?
What did you do?
I think there was that guilty conscience there, and my husband just installed the Google Home, and he didn't set it for my voice. I think he wanted to be in command there, and he only had it set for his voice. But I said, we need to set it for my voice as well. Let's do it right now. So after that, I told Google Home, I said, hey Google, may I have a kiss from my husband? So that was a good start in order to tell him, this guilty confession I had. So I said, hey Google, can you ask my husband to give me a kiss? And he said, sorry, I'm not set for that. And then when he left, I told my, hey Google, can you tell my husband that I bought a couple of shoes? And Google Home said, sorry, I'm not set for messages. So I don't know, I think I need to return this Google Home to the store.
Oh, okay. Wow, that was pretty good, Sonia. I like it. So Sonia, tell me what it is that you do for a living. You work at Western, right?
I do work for Western. I teach, and I teach mainly to our majors, but I am teaching a 200 level class, Spanish class. So
Español?
Español.
Muy poquito español.
Well, there's a fix for that too.
I can take your class.
Definitely, or maybe one of my colleagues' classes.
Okay.
And yesterday, every person I face, they go like, I'm here out in the profession now, and I don't know any other language, and I'm suffering. So there's a fix for that. You see, you can reach to all this Hispanic population here, which is growing. You know, in the United States, in the last 10 years, there's like 47.6% more of Hispanics.
Really?
Yep. So you see, you could have brought the whole Hispanic community that day where you run your go-kart in another customer's car. That was your confession, right? If they
That
go
was my
back
confession.
So instead of that, you could have just called the Hispanic community, and you could have sold the whole lot.
Well, I tell you what, will you do me a favor and maybe invite my next guest from the Hispanic community onto my show? And wait a minute, maybe you could be the guest host and interview them. How about that?
We'll do that.
We'll do that?
We'll do that.
Awesome. Well, Dr. Sonia Lenk, thank you for being my guest this morning early on Golf Cart
Oh my
Confessions.
goodness.
It's really early.
This was really early for me. Friday is not the day where I get up that early.
Well.
But everything for the best sales car person in the entire state and maybe in the entire country, at least in Bowling Green, I'm 100% sure.
Dr. Sonia Lenk, I appreciate you very much. Thank you so much for joining me today on Golf Cart Confessions. So, that was Dr. Sonia Lenk. Who will we interview next on Golf Cart Confessions?